Today I'm making one of Dad's favorite meals, paneer butter masala, naan and masala papad on the side. When he comes home from work, he wants something that he loves to eat, but a lot of times due to my work, I don't have the time to cook something elaborate. And that's why I'm always on the lookout for products that help me do the same. This is one CURRYiT's ready to cook paste come in handy. They're super easy to prepare, just takes 15 minutes. And it tastes so yum. No oil floating on top and the salt is just right. The best part about CURRYiT butter masala paste is that it's made with desi ghee in addition to butter and not some refined oil. Full mom ke haath ka khana vibes. All you need to do is add your veggies or protein to the paste with a little bit of water and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it, you're good to go. If you're always on the go or don't have time to cook, definitely check out CURRYiT masala pastes.